Hi y'all, this is Sarah from Firelight Creations, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Furls mystery box. This one is the large one. So let's grab it and open it up. So they basically had released these to everyone that signed up for text. It kind of gets the impression that they didn't get a chance to release this to everyone because everyone that signed up for texts actually grabbed them beforehand. And oh, there we go. All right. So I have my information there, so I'll put that aside. There's a really cool, I think they just started doing this where they've got a little thank you note from everyone and a coupon for purchase for your next purchase. And I'll put aside, they've got lots and lots of packaging, and here we go. Well, it's actually a mystery bag. And again, as I say, this one is the large one. They had three sizes, small, medium, and large. And with the contents being roughly the twice the price, or twice the value of what the price was. So, ooh, lots of goodies in here. So let's start with, well, and it's coming undone. This is a 10-pack of Wander. They're acrylic yarn, which they are discontinuing because they're making way for more goodies in the warehouse. But this one is all in color Atlantis. So I really like the Wander yarn, so I am going to miss it. It's a really good, it's a premium acrylic, so it is very, very soft. And it's got a bit of a sheen to it. So kind of similar to Care Simply Soft, but not as slippy. Because I find that Care Simply Soft is very slippy yarn. So that is a 10-pack of Atlantis color. Just put that aside. Back in the box. Okay. And then the next thing is, looks like a yarn bowl. And it is this one. Let me see which one it is. Does it say? It does not say. But, ooh, this is one of their yarn bowls. Furls. Very nice. So part of it is it's all stained on there, but it's different color woods, obviously. Very cool. Let's keep that on the desk. And there is one last thing in here, and it is a hook. Well, I believe it's a hook. So, in my many years of being a Furls girl, it is usually pretty obvious. Oh, it's not a hook, it's two hooks. So, let's see what we've got. Always make sure you open it on the right side. It'll tell you. They feel metal, and aha! This is the red metal streamline in a 5.5 millimeter. So I'll just put that in my bowl, and let's see what the other one is. This one also feels like metal based on just the weight. And oh, this one is not. This one is an Aries hook. I can tell by the reds, but this one is a 10 millimeter. So that was in my bag. I got 10-pack of Wander yarn in the really beautiful Atlantis color. I got a 10 millimeter in Aries, which is resin. And this one is a 5.5 millimeter in the red metal streamline, and I got a gorgeous yarn bowl. So I think that was well worth it. That is definitely worth the price of admission for the for the mystery bag, and of course I get another project bag because you can't have nearly enough, right? So let me know what you think of what I got, and let me know also if you bought one of the bags, because I'd love to know what's in the others too. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.